Hello, good evening all. Suvajit, Birido, Ashok, Ganesh, Raja, Sachin, Jain, Shweta, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening all.
Good evening, sir.
Good,
Good evening, sir. How are you,
good
sir?
evening. Good evening, Jayant. I'm good. Sorry, Ganesh. I'm good. How are you?
Good, sir.
Good. Okay, happy Engineers Day. Sorry, I missed in first batch in beginners session. Happy Engineers Day.
Same to you, sir.
सर मैंने कुछ स्क्रीनशॉट भेजा है डाटा ग्रुप में ना सर। उसको देखो सर, मेरा इंटरव्यू शेड्यूल होगा था नेक्स्ट वीक, तो एक बार उसको आप देखो।
Hmm, I'm sharing my screen. Preparation of 3D assembly drawing 3D design along with 2D drawing of child part. Okay. Preparation of assembly drawing annotation with construction consideration, sorry, the surface analysis, okay, concept design of custom given surface, feasibility study of style data using catia v5, perfect, tooling feasibility of components, good, need to preparation of that draft analysis of plastic part, feasibility study, tooling concept like core cavity injection along with lifter slider feasibility, perfect, plastic raw material, perfect. Need to study applicable engineering raw material used in automotive industry. Okay. GD&T candidate should gain knowledge in GD&T to understand customer requirement. Perfect. Okay, Jant. What is your doubt then? I think see what we have covered.
सर ये मेरा सर
Hmm.
इंटरव्यू का वो है, जो मेरे पे जेडी आया था ना इंटरव्यू का।
Hmm.
तो ये इंटरव्यू है, वो कंपनी रिफ्लेक्टर बनाती है सर।
Reflector. Okay.
हाँ, तो उसमें इंटरव्यू शेड्यूल होगा। मेरे को सीधे कॉल, कंपनी से कॉल आया था।
Hmm. Okay.
तो हाँ, कंपनी से कॉल आया था। तो उन्होंने मेरे को, मैंने पूछा मैम जेडी तो भेज दीजिए, तो जेडी भेजा कि मोस्टली इसी पर कवर करेंगे जो भी इंटरव्यू होगा। तो सर,
Good.
तो इसमें सर यदि आप हो सके तो ये इस वीक इन टॉपिकों को कवर कर सकते हैं, सारे के सारे का बेसिक बेसिक कर सकते हैं
Okay. So
सर।
isn't
बेसिक
to
सर, मोस्टली सर मेरे को लास्ट के जो देखो सर, फर्स्ट वाला है वो मुझे कोई इशू नहीं है, सेकंड वाला भी मुझे इशू नहीं है, ठीक है। थोड़ा
hmm.
स्टाइलिंग डाटा यूजिंग, थोड़ा स्टाइलिंग भी सर कोई दिक्कत नहीं है।
Hmm.
स्टाइलिंग स्टाइलिंग मोस्टली वही हो गया कि जैसे
We are
हमको
done. Yes.
वो जैसे हमको मास्टर सेक्शन मिला, उसके थ्रू स्टाइलिंग को देखेंगे सर, ठीक है। तो
Okay.
मेरे को थर्ड पॉइंट एंड फोर्थ पॉइंट पे सर काम करवाना सर।
Third and
फोर्थ।
fourth.
यस।
See, plastic raw material again. Jen, this you can do by yourself. Simple chat GPT. Okay, depending on the plastic part, which part you have to design, you want to design now. Because
ओके।
see, the plastic part will not be common for every part. Okay, the
ओके।
material will not be common for each and every part. Okay, it is not mandatory that okay, sir, I want to design a structure part. I will use PP. No, I want to design the side cover. So I want to design the door panel upper of part. No, not like that. You every time you will not use PP. Okay, simply see the simple is just find out how many plastic material we use in automobile. Okay, it will
ओके।
be maximum to maximum 6 to 8 material. That's it.
ओके।
Okay, just note it down the name. What are the 6 to 8 plastic material which we can use in maximum portion? In means in maximum plastic part we will use that material. Okay, and just collect the properties and dis just check the what is the difference between this part, how they are categorized
ओके सर।
with respect to characteristic, the strength, the flexibility, the density. Okay,
ओके सर। ओके।
that's it. Okay, there are not so much plastic part like 20, 30. No, hardly 6 to 8 will be sufficient. Okay, what interviewer will do, he will just tell you, okay, this is a condition. Now you have to decide which material you will apply over here. Okay, the part should be flexible. Okay, and you're going to lock the hook first, then you're going to rotate the part. In some cases, in worst case, you will have to bend that part little bit, then you will have to push it in y direction. This is a condition. Now tell me which material you will use. Yes, Jayant?
सर पीपी सर
Why?
पीपी
Why? What is PP full form?
बिकॉज सर वो थोड़ा फ्लेक्सिबल होता है ना.
Okay, and what is the full form? PP?
मुझे आता
पॉलीप्रोपिलीन.
है. हाँ.
Sorry?
पॉलीप्रोपिलीन सर.
Polypropylene. Yes,
Yeah.
polypropylene.
Hmm.
Okay, so it is a little bit flexible material. Okay, so why flexible material is useful? What is the second question? Can be what is the use of flexible material? What do you think?
सर फॉर द फर्स्ट तो इसका पॉइंट होगा तो मोस्टली फिटमेंट में इशू नहीं आएगा.
Okay,
जो जो इसके लॉक बनेंगे, लॉक प्रॉपर्ली हम वो कर सकते हैं यूज, मतलब प्रॉपर्ली, मतलब मतलब हमारा यदि थोड़ा मटेरियल हार्ड होगा
hmm,
तो वहां पर लॉक को सर लॉक टूटने का, क्रैक होने का खतरा होता है, इसलिए फ्लेक्सिबल मटेरियल यूज करते हैं. ठीक है.
okay,
वी हैव इजीली टू असेंबल. तो फर्स्ट तो सर ये होगा फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी का. दूसरा
okay,
अगर इम्पैक्ट रेजिस्टेंस के लिए होता है, इम्पैक्ट को रोकने के
perfect.
लिए भी.
ये पॉइंट के लिए मैं वेट कर रहा था. दिस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इम्पैक्ट रेजिस्टेंस. ओके, it will not break. Okay, it will absorb the complete force.
Yes, yes.
Okay, mostly if you check the front bumper, rear bumper, if you notice, these are very flexible. Okay, you can just pull it that part with help of, means by hand also you can pull it. Okay, Jen, clear? Fourth point.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now which point you are talking about?
Third point, sir.
Third one,
Yeah.
tooling feasibility of components.
Yeah.
We had done the presentations.
Yes,
Okay,
sir. Yes, sir.
feasibility,
Yes, sir.
need to preparation of draft analysis. This is also we had done.
Yes, sir.
Okay, feasibility study of this style, it is not mentioned in part point 3, but it is already mentioned in point 2. Surface analysis means the draft analysis, whether the surface is okay or not. You will have to design the, we will have to decide the point, means the origin point and the axis system. Sorry, MTD. The master
Okay.
axis system will be with respect to MTD. And how we will decide the MTD? 2 points, with respect to 2 points. Which are those points to decide any MTD?
I think sir पहला तो MTT
Assembly direction.
yeah.
Yes, Jayant. First point will be your
सर उसकी फिटमेंट के हिसाब से MTT डिसाइड
fitment
करते हैं.
means, yes, fitment
अच्छा
means as
ठीक.
Raja mentioned, the assembly
Yeah.
direction. Okay,
Yes.
in which direction you are going to assemble your
Apart.
part. Okay,
Yeah.
it is not mandatory that every time you will assemble in X, every time you will assemble in Y, in Z. Remember in side cover we have assembled that side cover in analysis. You found that, sir, we will push it in Y, then we will slide it downward in Z direction. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So in this case, again, sir, which will be your MTD then? Okay, so which will be your MTD? Again, we will check this style, in which direction style is cleared. Okay, and if we want to add any screw, so we will check in which direction you are going to we are going to insert this screw. It will be the axis of your screw boss. It can be your MTD. Okay,
Yes. Yes.
and for the hooks, if you are sliding in Z or in X, for the hooks you will use lifter or slider. It will not be clear in MTD. It can clear, but again there will be the pocket on the A side. Remember how we clear the snap from downside 7 degree
Yes, sir. They have
cutoff?
any draft, sir. Yeah.
Perfect.
Yes, sir.
So this is the method how you will define the MTD. Again, if you want to check the third point, most important point is once you decide the MTD, you will have to check the input style, whether the with respect to your MTD what you have decided, the style is okay or not. Yes,
Yes,
if
sir.
the style is not okay and the patches which are not okay with respect to MTD, and if you think logically, technically, if you think, okay sir, this is the very lower portion of the surface and the surface is not visible, so sir, if we change the surface just by 0.5 1 degree, the rest surface will be okay. We can the surface is completely clearing in MTD. So in that case, we can request the styling guide to modify the surface. Otherwise, if they are not agree to modify the surface, then in that case, you will have to change the MTD. It will be with respect to your style only. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Huh. Additionally, if suppose if you're okay to add a lifter or slider, then no issue. You can take your previous MTD, and for the undercuts, you can use slider lifters. Yes,
Yes,
that's
sir.
why. See, everyone, if you notice, can anyone tell me what is the benefit? Okay, Raja, can you tell me what you will do in point one? Tell me you had done point one, yes or no? Have you done point one? Everyone, Raja, Subhajit, Jayant, Shweta, Ganesh.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Assembly drawing we have not done. Okay, but we had done the assembly analysis. We had done the study how the part will assemble. Yes, assembly drawing is not done. Okay. The second point, we have covered the second point, yes or no? Ganesh, Raja,
Yes,
Biridev,
sir.
Shweta,
Yes, sir.
Subhajit, Jayant.
Sir, hello, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
Ashok.
assembly features are means remaining, sir. We don't know, sir.
Where is assembly feature?
Means
Assembly
assemblies means uh, other commands are
assembly workbench we have not done. Yes. See,
yes.
assembly workbench we had done how to position the components in product. Okay. Remember we have used snap command and manipulation command XYZ. Ashok.
Uh,
I think you have
uh,
not done. I think you have not done. I think we will repeat this one for you, batch. Okay, Ashok.
yes, sir. Yes.
But Jayant, Raja, Ganesh, Shweta, I
Yes, sir.
think
Yes, sir.
Done.
we had done that
Done.
one. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So how to position in assembly workbench? Okay, and assembly features means the features what we have already done for the assemblies. Okay, we have different type of features. Okay, so second point is already done. Surface analysis. We have done the feasibility study. For the third one, tooling feasibility of components. This is also we had done draft analysis of plastic part, feasibility study of tooling concept like core and cavity injection along with lifter and slider feasibility. Done or not? Got it? What is the use of the presentation? Raja, Ganesh, the presentation on which you are working.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting why these tasks are means why these tasks are very important? See, these are very mandatory process or steps what we have to do for each and every project in MNCs and OEM. Okay. The fourth point just now we discussed plastic raw material from day one. We are telling you to design one presentation only for the materials. Take the screenshot from Google and just paste it in the presentation. Take the front bumper and ask ChatGPT or search on Google which material we can use for the front bumper. That's it. For the rear bumper, for the dashboard, for the central console, for the deco part, for the bezel, for the speaker grill, for the door panel, for the map pocket. Just create one presentation. Hardly it will be of 12 to 15 slides. One slide for bumper, second slide for rear bumper, third slide for dashboard, fourth slide for the mirror. Clear, Jayant, Ganesh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Yes,
it
sir.
is mandatory. Okay, let's do one thing till tomorrow. Okay, I don't think it will take more than 1 hour. Okay, so till tomorrow before our live session. Okay, Ganesh, Jayant, everyone who are preparing for interview, you have to share the presentation. Okay, don't share. Okay, but keep ready and share your screen in live session. Okay, Ganesh, clear? Just
Yes, sir.
stop your 3D work for now, at least for 1 or 2 days. Just clear this pending work. Okay, just clear it.
Okay, sir.
Okay, just create one presentation and try to cover each and every part of automobile. It can be with related to seating, interiors and exterior, no issue. It can be side mirror, it can be the center mirror, dashboard, air vents, AC vents, bezel, deco parts, sheet metal, side member, suspension, side grill, speaker grill, map pocket, door panel, each and everything should be covered in that presentation.
सर स्टाइलिंग डाटा आई थिंक वही है ना जो मास्टर सेक्शन के थ्रू हम जनरेट करते थे.
See, no. Styling means, Jen, the style what you will receive from the OEM or from the styling team. That we call it as a style surface, A class
ओके
surface.
ओके 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 ओके
Okay, master section you will not receive.
ओके.
See, Ren, we had discussed this point. Okay, I'm repeating this one because in your interview it is already mentioned. So, topic
Sir, I have one question.
A. Yes, Subhajit. Topic
Sir, what is the full form of STO?
B. It can be start trim outline. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So topic
Sir,
A, yes, Subhajit.
can you explain this?
Yes, I'm the same topic I'm explaining. Okay. Okay. So Jen, please focus. Topic A and topic B. Topic A is your CAD or design test. Okay. 1.5 hour means 1 hour 30 minutes. This is your topic A. Topic B is your MNC OEM live projects. Clear, Jent? Here
यस सर.
you will receive A class surface plus master section. Maybe okay. This you can you will receive this one as a first option. Otherwise, this is your first option. Otherwise, second point can be dump body part and make it parametric. Clear? We call it as
यस.
remastering. Okay. Third will be sorry. Third will be A class surface close volume, okay, plus B side features. Okay, here you have to also consider define MTD plus slider lifter. Got it?
यस सर.
Now this either you will get the first option, second option, or third option. Okay, you have to finish it in 1.5 hour, means 1 hour 30 minutes. This is only for CAD test and design test. But once you enter in MNC and OEM, okay, now you are working on the project. So this time you will only receive A class surface. That's it. Okay. Now start your project. Clear?
यस सर.
With A class surface, again, you will receive some requirements. What is the task? What is the purpose of this part? Detailed definition. Okay. Now, once you receive this one, then you will do what you will do. First step will be your quickly. First step will be everyone.
Feasibility report.
Perfect. Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Then you will do master section. If feasibility report is not okay, you will ask your styling team or the OEM, sir, we will have to, can we modify A class surface little bit because we are going to assemble the part in Y direction. So our MTD should be Y, but in Y these 2-3 patches are not cleared. Okay. And it is in the lower portion, so I think we can modify. Got it, Jen? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Ashok.
Means, sir, in feasibility report, we are only draft analysis of that A surface,
No,
No.
or
no,
anything
no.
or other.
Feasibility report. So what we will have inside feasibility report? Feasibility report will have a surface analysis. Again, what will have? Anyone? What will have?
MTD,
Sorry?
missing patch.
Sorry?
Sir, main tool introduction, MTD.
MTD. Yes.
Sir, missing surface,
Missing patches. Okay.
curvature.
Curvature analysis you can do. Perfect. Then
Sir, slider lifter direction.
uh, fixation strategy.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Again,
Gap and flush with environment part.
perfect. Perfect. Gap flush. Again, with environment. Perfect, Ganesh.
Parting line.
Okay. Parting line. Perfect. You will define where will the parting line. So, such in parting line, where you will do this study, parting line. Study in quickly.
In master section.
Master section.
Perfect. Master sections. So inside master section also you will do the fixation strategies. Yes. Feasibility, again in feasibility report you will mention what will the part thickness. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Again, anything? So see, this is not work of 1.5 hour. Okay. This is a work of complete 3 month, 4 months, 6 month. Okay. Why? Because it's a live project. So this is you have to showcase in 1 hour 30 minutes. That's why we are focusing on this one. So why we are preparing the presentation, the feasibility report? Because you should able to read what they are asking for. Here you can see you with this one point one, point two, point three. With this one, you will receive the 3D file as well as you will receive one presentation. In presentation, they will mention what is the time for your test, what is the task, and what you have to do it. Okay. Sir, is it okay instead of 1.5 hour, mean 1 hour 30 minutes? Sir, is it okay if I finish it in 2 hours? No issue. You can ask them, sir, can you give me please, can you please give me 30 minutes extra? I will finish this quickly. Rest thing I have already completed. They will give you 30 minutes, no issue. But if you finish this in 1 hour 15 minutes, 1 hour 20 minutes, then see 90%, nearly 85% depend on the design test. We have discussed this point, and 15% depend on your technical design interview. But if you pass this one, they will not focus on this point. Okay, they will arrange the interview. Okay, it will not happen. Okay, sir, they will skip. Can they will skip my technical interview? No, they will check the thinking process. How will you start any project? Okay, so that's why this presentation is very important to work on the lab project. So we had done the projects with presentation with all analysis. Okay, so just to just to improve your thinking power. Okay, how we will design, how will you make the fixation strategy, how you will make the strategy for the complete program. Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
Ashok.
what is, sir? I'm not getting, sir. Curvature analysis means how we are do in that analysis.
Curvature analysis just to check the surfaces are okay or not okay. That's it. Okay.
Okay, means tangency. Okay,
You can check the tendency. Yes.
okay, yes, sir. सर ये कोई मतलब ये हम क्लोज वॉल्यूम करके फिक्सेशन ऐड करके उसके बाद वो किसको देते हैं हम जो फाइल रहता है ना वो आगे उसका क्या है आगे क्या करते हैं
Okay.
आगे
Okay. See, let's consider. Okay, let's consider. Uh, you're working with me. Okay, I'm from Germany. Okay, you're working with me. So I will share this style. Okay, what I will share with you in our first meeting or before our first meeting, what I will do, I will send you one mail with a file like this or a product. In that product, let's consider the door panel. In that product, you will have all parts, okay, including the speaker, the locking latch, each and everything. Okay, the technical things which will be inside the door panel, the HMI position and all. Okay, and in that product, there will be multiple part like the HMI as I mentioned. Okay, and
इस
in some part you will have the A style for the armrest, A style for the upper part, A style for the grill, style for the map pocket, the water holder. Okay, now let's say Ashok, you are the team leader. Okay, what will be your first task? First you will do some analysis, you will check the product and you will check, okay, I have received one product. Okay, I have received one
इस
product. Inside this product, I have some technical parts like HMI, the switches, the speaker, the wire harness, okay, and the BRW of the door. After that, we have upper style, lower style, the armrest style, okay, the speaker grill style. This thing you will find inside this one. Now you will what will be your first step, Ashok? First step is this one, sir. I will check the complete product. I will go each one by one and I will check what we have received and what is pending. You can mention, okay, sir, you have not shared the style for the grill. If the grill style is missing, yes, speaker grill, you can ask me, sir, could you please share the style for the grill? It is missing. Okay,
yes sir
so I will just recreate this style grill style and I will share again. That time I will share only one file like this. What you have to do? I shared only one file of speaker grill. What you will do, Ashok?
that file enter in product file
Yeah, you
means
will copy
take
this
into
file under
product
your
file
product. Okay, and you will use SEO management.
yes.
Okay, now the second task for all surface you will do surface analysis. You will first do in which direction you will assemble. You will do some analysis which part should be assembled on which part which will where will be your structure part. Remember the structured part, the yellow one what we have started just now for the door panel.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you will define that one. On that part, which part you are going to assemble, which fixation strategy you are going to use. Are we going to use the clips, anchor clips, towers? Are you going to fix directly on BIW, or do you want to use some hit stack method? Is there any leather fabric wrapping, or directly you will use the plastic part? So if there is no fabric and leather, if you want to use directly plastic parts, then it should be smooth, glossy, or is there any graining? Again, how you will decide? Again, you will ask me, sir, is there in fabric? Because in style you are not given anything. So what I will tell you, I will tell you, please check the presentation what I have shared with you. In that presentation, I have mentioned everything. Okay, Ashok?
Yes, sir.
So you will go through that presentation. You will check. Okay. So for this two part, for the armrest, we have leather wrapping. Okay. For the bottle holder, sir, we don't have the leather wrapping. Okay. So, sir, you will check in the presentation. Okay, we don't have the leather or the fabric for the bottle holder. Okay, the map pocket. So, is there any graining details? So you will check for the grain details. If it is missing, you can ask me, sir. The graining details is not mentioned in the presentation. Do you have the graining details, or should I propose you what should be the graining grades for the graining? Okay, Ashok.
Yes,
See,
sir.
this is not, this is a project. Okay, it will take. ऐसा नहीं है कि sir, then sir, on first day should we start the 3D work or not? No, it is not mandatory. The project will take at least 1 year, 2 year, 6 month, 10 month, like this. Okay, not from first day, sir. On first day, I define this MTD. Please check. No, I will not check. You are the responsible. You as a contact person, the team lead. You are the responsible. You are responsible for the complete technical details. Okay, I'm not going to check this thing. Okay, I'm the OEM person.
Yes, sir.
Got it? So that's why presentation is very important. Okay, even though if you are not creating the presentation, but you should able to read the presentation, which things should be mentioned in presentation and which should not be mentioned. Okay, whatever you will need to start the project, everything should be mentioned in the presentation. If if let's say some points I have missed from I have missed from my side. Okay, I'm the OEM person. I have missed some point in the presentation. Then now it's your responsibility to continue that presentation. Okay, you should take the screenshot, you should add it. If there is some issue in the style as well, take the screenshot, take the same presentation what I have shared, and just
साउंड ब्रेक
add the
हो रहा है,
screenshot. Sorry,
Yeah.
सर. Yes, sir.
clear? Okay. Okay.
Sir, means at the
Yes.
end, we did on if we did design of some part, then at the end we submit to client directly. Yeah, means any
Yes.
manufacturing company,
Again
means
depend.
injection
Okay.
molding.
Okay. See, once you have done, you have completed the 3D. Okay, you have completed the manufacturing drawing. Okay. So see, you have done the manufacturing drawing. That means your 3D is finalized. Your completely part is okay for the tooling from your side. Okay, not, it is only from your side the part is okay for the tooling. Okay, MTD is done, parting line is done, slider lifter calculations is done, thickness analysis, everything is done. Now what you will do, you will discuss, you will review your 3D, okay, with the manufacturing expert guy, the tooling expert guy. Okay, Ashok.
Yes.
Then he will
Means
review
this is
with you.
outside.
It He can see the, if you have the supplier for that part, it will be the outside guy. Okay, but
Yes, sir.
before that, you will have to review this with the tooling expert, which will be your internal team member. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Even though while before starting the 3D as well, you can discuss with them. So, sir, I have taken this as a MTD. This will be the lifter slider, and this type of fixation strategy I have defined. So, is it okay or not okay? Please give your suggestion. Okay. So he will provide his suggestion to you. Okay. Accordingly, you will check with the project environment part. Is it okay or not okay? If it is applicable, you will apply that modifications. Okay. So then if everything is done, now I will tell you, please review this 3D. This is our vendor. This is our manufacturing guy. Please review this. Please review your design with that member. Okay. That is your supplier. Okay. He is your supplier now for the tool. Okay, Ashok.
Yes, sir.
Now you will do one meeting regarding the tooling. How will be the tooling? Where will be the injection point? The fixtures, the fixations, what you had designed, is it okay or not okay for the tooling? The lifter and slider calculation, what you had done already, is it okay or not? So you will need the approval of the tooling guy. Sir, will he provide me the suggestions? Yes, he will provide the suggestion, but depend on you whether you have to accept that suggestions or not. You can't change the design as per his suggestion. Okay, he will have to design the tool as per your 3D. Okay, but the
Yes, sir.
suggestion which are valid, technically valid, okay, which are solving the issues of tooling, which are reducing the cost of tooling, and if it is feasible to apply in your 3D in project, then you can apply it. Okay, for this you have to maintain one Excel. We will call it as SLI. What is SLI? Anyone? Again, in interview you have to mention all these points. Sir, this was my project experience. While working on project, I have a practice to maintain one SLI. SLI means single list of issue. What is this? Single list of issue. It is a Excel file where you will just mention in one line what is the issue, and in front of that, let's say this is your Excel. Okay, this is your Excel. Okay,
Sir,
here
repeat, sir. SLI means
SLI means single list of issue. Okay,
single list.
let's say here you have SLI like this. Okay, this is Excel. The first is points, or let's say points. The second will be the status, and the third one will be the comment or note. Okay, so what should we do inside this one? In SLI, whatever you are facing the issues, the blocking point, the technical, let's say, sir, two patches are not clearing in MTD. Just mention over here, two patch are not okay. Status is open. Open means I have to discuss this with OEM. Comment TBD to be decided with OEM. Done. Then assembly direction. Assembly direction we have to finalize. This is also open. Uh, why it is open? Need environment parts. Got it? Let's say uh, add screw fixation. This was open. Now it is closed. So make it green. Closed. Done.
Screen is stuck.
Screen is stuck. Jayant, Raja, Ashok.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Ganesh, please check the network. Okay. So this week we'll call it as SLI. What is SLI? What is SLI quickly?
सर हम इसको लिस्ट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम ये लोग भी यूज करते हैं इसे.
Yes, yes. Single list of issue. Okay, Viridev?
हाँ यस सर.
Yes, sir.
So all this thing you have to use, you have to mention in your interviews. Okay. Okay. If possible, just watch today's recording at least 2 to 3 times. ओके, सो रहे हो ईयरफोन लगा लो, रिकॉर्डिंग सुनो, सिर्फ ऑटोमेटिक सब रिकॉल हो जाएगा. Okay, so if you notice maximum portion, where is this one? Maximum portion we have covered this one, task description. And this is very common, okay? 99% in all JDs you will find this description. Okay. And with respect to this JD, you have to update your resume. Are you getting yes or no? This word should be there in your resume. Class A surface analysis, feasibility study, material, GD&T, customer requirements, customer interaction, single point of contact person. What is single point of contact person means? You will be the responsible person for the project, for the part. You are the person who is directly communicating with the OEM or the vendors, suppliers. Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Ashok.
Sir, tooling vendor means that is actually manufacturing part, yeah, making only core and cavity means.
The core cavity.
Means
Yes, the tooling guy means the tooling. See,
okay.
tooling expert means it will be from your company. The supplier tooling expert means the supplier who is going to provide you the complete tool, the core cavity,
Okay,
everything.
and manufacturer is other
Yeah,
means actual injection
yeah,
molding
that
departments
tool. See,
means
the
other
OEM.
company.
Yes, again there is two option. The OEM will purchase that tool and OEM will manufacture that part in own plant. This
Okay.
is option one. The second option is again for we will have the vendor for the manufacturing. Okay, it
Yes,
can
sir.
happen that the tool maker who is providing the tool, he can also provide. See, it is not possible that it is not 100% possible or mandatory that sir, the vendor, we have one vendor who is going to design the complete tool. Design means the manufacture, the machining, milling, CNC, everything. Okay, he will just give he will give us a physical tool with all slider, lifter, pneumatic mechanisms. Okay, now it is not
Yes,
mandatory
sir.
that he will provide us the physical part. Let's say you want the side cover or the, let's say, door panel. He is not going to provide us door panel. Why? Because he doesn't have the injection line. Okay, we will need
Yes, sir.
a injection line supplier where he has a plant where we can mount our complete tool and we can shoot our cycles, means we can start our plastic injections. Okay, cycles. Clear, Ashok?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
हेलो सर.
Jayant. Yes, Jayant.
सर मैं ये पूछ रहा था, आपने जो सिंगल लाइन इशू बताया था ये सर, जब
Single
फिजिबिलिटी स्टडी
list of
कर,
issue.
या सॉरी हाँ, सिंगल लिस्ट ऑफ इशू वाला वो, सर वो इनिशियली हम जब फिजिबिलिटी करते हैं तब करते हैं कि जब यार हम जब ए सरफेस को
No, no, no.
बी में देन
See,
तब करते हैं सर.
no. Single list of issue means single list of issue. From first day you have to maintain. Where is the single list of issue? From first day you have to mention this one. Each and every small point you can mention over here. This is only for your task tracking. Okay. You can show this SLI. You can share this SLI with your client also. Okay. You can mention each and everything. Let's suppose you want to add this screw. Now here you can put it open or close status in comments. Okay, for screw shall we use M4 or shall we use M8? You can mention, no issue. If there is clash, if you have designed everything and you found some clash, you can just mention over here clash between the speaker grill and the map pocket. Status, is it open till now? Is there any clash or not? Is it solved or open? You can just put over here status and you can mention in comment. Let's say in comment you can mention Ashok is going to work on this one. Okay, Jayant, you can use SLF for any purpose. If you have not received this style, you can mention over here style is not received. Status, till today you have received or not? No, not received, means status is open. You can also mention over here again a vertical column due date, on before which date you should receive this style. Let's say it is 15 September, till 18 September it should received. From whom? In comment we can add Raja is going to provide this style, but still it is open. Got it?
Okay. I think
Okay.
this is
Sir,
not.
I have hello, sir.
Yes. Yes, Suvajit.
Sir, I have one question. Sir,
Yes.
OEM person, I think giving the all inputs.
Yes.
It is
No.
so what
Hmm.
score we are using, what the grading structure.
No. 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 See, what is OEM? OEM will look only the wow look. Okay. OEM is not going to check what you are using, what you are using from inside, which type of fixation you are going to use. OEM will not going to check that one. Okay. What OEM wants? OEM wants FEA result, a good FEA result. For the good FEA result, you should have good fixations, you should have good plastic design. Yes, you should
Yes,
what
sir.
OEM will check the gap and flush, because the wow effect will depend on the gap and flush. Yes, what
Yes,
OEM
sir.
will check, if there is a leather or fabric wrapping, is it okay or not okay. What OEM wants the final result, that's it. And what OEM is going to provide you, just the style and the environment part, that's it. They will provide you the
And
BIW.
what is the material we choose that
They will
only?
suggest you, they will suggest you, but you as a designer, you as a technical person, you should have that experience. Otherwise you can discuss with your expert and you can give them, you should give your suggestions. Okay, you should provide your suggestions which material you should use. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir, there should be graining or leather. No, OEM will decide. There should be grain or there should be the leather. OEM will decide. Why? Because it is related to the wow look. If they are adding the brown leather with stitches, thick stitches, again it will give some premium feel.
Sir, I have another question.
Hmm. Yes,
Sir,
Subhajit.
if is grading structure on any part, there
Sorry. Sorry.
सर किसी पार्ट के ऊपर ग्रेडिंग स्ट्रक्चर रहता
हाँ.
है हर पार्ट के ऊपर रहता है उसके ऊपर टूलिंग ड्यूरेशन का चेंज होता है ना एमटीडी
MTD will not change. Okay, that's why we have to do style analysis. Okay. For MTD, the style must have 7 degree with MTD. The minimum requirement is 7 degree. Some OEM or the supplier can add graining on a surface, even though it is clear in 3 degree as well. Okay.
तो ग्रेडिंग स्ट्रक्चर कैसे बनाना पड़ेगा हम लोगों का हाउ शुड वी क्रिएट
You,
द ग्रेडिंग स्ट्रक्चर
we will never design the graining structure in design. Okay. We will just mention it in our drawing. Okay. Let's see. Okay. I want some blank space. Huh.
Means sir, graining is a part of tooling, na? Yes, means in tool design.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So suppose this is your part one. Okay, let's do one thing. I will draw first over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, this is your part condition A. Now this is your, okay, let me make it little bit thick. Okay, like this. So part thickness is 2.5. Okay. Okay, now tell me, where will the MTD for this part? Quickly. Sorry. Quickly for red part.
lower side, sir.
Others, quickly. Where will
Z, sir.
Z? Okay.
G.
Okay. So Z will be my MTD. Okay, no issue. Perfect. Z is my MTD. Why, sir? Let's consider this pocket. So for this, with respect to this pocket and the assembled action, Z will be the MTD. Now, sir, where will the graining? Okay. For before deciding the graining, tell me where will the parting line? Quickly. Where will be the parting line? Quickly. For the red one. Quickly. Biridev, Subhajit,
Sir,
Jayant, Raja. Yes, Jayant.
I think sir,
Bottom.
bottom,
Bottom
Lower
where?
outside.
bottom
Lower
left.
outside. Perfect. Over
Yeah.
here and here. Yes. And for this pocket, quickly.
Inner side, sir.
Inner side. Where? Here? On this side?
No,
Lower
Sir,
right
right
side.
side.
yes, sir.
Where? Subhajit?
Sir, in right side.
Right side. Here?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. And for here on this location? Here?
Yes,
Sir.
Yes.
sir.
So my
Yes, sir.
tool will be like this. This block will move where? Upward or downward?
Sir, downward.
Down, sir.
Downward. So this is my block and the um blue color. This will be my second block. Here we will have resting, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Tool is clear. Now tell me on which portion you will have the graining.
Sir, in a surface.
Where is the A surface?
In a blue one, sir.
Blue one. Tell me from where it will start and where it will stop. See. So how to mention in drawing? In drawing, what I will do? I will draw one line over here like this. Okay. And here I will draw a, here I will draw a scissor like this. Got it? Here, here will be one line. Again, here I will draw one scissor. That means I have to stop the graining over here. Got it? So how to define the graining? Graining will start from part A, point B like this. And I will draw, I don't have color, okay, sorry. So here, sorry, by mistake, close here. I will draw a dotted line like this. Got it? Sorry, here will be not B. This will be a B. This will be my B. C, D. Okay. So we will mention in drawing. We are now. Are you getting idea? Where will the parting graining? Graining will stop over here. It will start from this, like this, till point B. Again, we have to mention. We will mention in drawing. So graining will start from C like this till point D. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So with help of this scissor and this line, we will mention we want about this one. Okay. Now, sir, why we have drawn the first condition and the second condition? Tell me the minimum requirement is 7 degree for the greening. Tell me the B is okay or green is okay. The red is okay or green is okay. Yes. Tell me, can you add greening on this vertical surface? Is it possible?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
So what you will do, you will ask, you will request, sir, first you will check, sir, should we add, do we have to add graining on this part? If the reply is yes from the OEM, then you have to suggest, sir, if you want to add graining, sir, this surface is vertical. Or let's say it is only, if it is making only 1 degree with MTD. So we will have to modify this patch. Otherwise the graining is not possible. So you will receive the new 3D like this. Got it? Clear? Now this face, the tool will be like this. This face will be 7 degree. Clear? This will be the 7 degree.
Okay. And sir, if I think इस आपके पॉइंट का मतलब ये होगा 7 डिग्री 7 डिग्री का एंगल होना चाहिए ग्रेडिंग के लिए. Okay.
Okay.
Means sir, at least 7 degrees required for graining.
Yes. See,
Yeah.
for draft analysis, remember for safe side we provide 0.6 degree. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Same like for the graining or for any resting or shut off angle, we should keep more than 7 degree. Most of the tool maker, it is possible to clear in 3 degree, 4 degree, but it is okay. We will play in safe side. We will keep 7 degree or more than 7 degree. Okay.
Yes, sir.
See, we have just changed it by 7 degree. Resting will remain as it is. No issue. Okay. Good.
Hello, sir. If sir, FEA team is internal team, yeah, it's outside team. Means outside vendor.
Internal.
Internal. Okay.
Yes.
Means after FEA analysis, then we are parts will give to tooling and tooling
Tooling expert.
feasibility. Means
Yes.
outside.
Yes. To the vendor. Yes. See.
Sir, our
Okay.
job also doing final element analysis.
No, it's not our job to do FEA. What is our job with respect to FEA? You should provide your 3D in STL format. Okay. Okay. Or STP format.
Okay.
Okay. Again, in presentation, you will have to mention what you want in FEA. What is your expectation? Now you can mention, okay, in Z direction, there will be the force of 1500. In Y direction, there will be the force of 800 Newton. Okay. This thing you have to mention. Okay. And again, if there is a head impact, so what will be the head impact condition? So FEA team will already have that conditions. What should be the force for the head impact and all. But if you want some additional worst condition, someone can apply the force of 1000 Newton on the door panel. So if there is a small baby or small child, he can hang on the plastic part. Yes or no on the door panel. Are you getting? If
Yes,
there
sir.
is a small baby, let's say the age is
Yes, sir.
nearly 3 year, 4 year, if he hang on the door panel And if suppose the plastic part is broken, what you will do now? So it should not break. So that is the worst condition you have to mention in presentation. You should format that presentation to FEA team and the STL file. Then they will take at least 15 to 20 days for FEA report. Till that you can continue your project work. Once you receive the FEA report, you will have the small videos. What is the head impact? How will be the head impact? From where the part will start breaking, okay? Which area is in red color, which is the red area in blue green color. So if we are getting the red color, then that means the part is going to break from that fixation or from that portion, the red portion. So you can add some ribs, you can increase the strength. Okay, so Vajit,
Yes, sir.
it is a
Sir,
kind.
how much?
Yes, Prashant.
Hello, sir.
Yes, yes. Hello.
Sir, how?
Yes,
Ah,
please continue.
yes, Subhajit.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, how much load apply on the part specific that we had decided or FTA team decided?
See, we have some standard. Okay, if you are working on the dashboard, there is no need to provide any input to FEA team. What you will provide, you will just provide the style. Style, not the STL file of 3D. They already have the input from the benchmarking from the previous project. They are working from many years, 50 years, 60 years. Okay, so they already have the knowledge which force should be applied, where should be applied. Okay, if you want some
Okay, sir.
additional input, if you want some additional study should be done on the, if from the FEA side, you can mention in the presentation. Okay,
Okay, sir.
the worst condition, the worst condition means the example, if a small baby is hanging, a small child is hang on the door panel, plastic part, so that is the worst condition. Okay, if you are design, if for the row one between passenger and driver, if you want to design the armrest, you are designing the armrest only for the arm, yes or no? But it can happen that if there is a baby of, let's say, 3 year to 5 year age, he can sit on that armrest, yes or no? what
Yes,
will
sir.
what will the weight? 15 kg, 10 kg, so you will have to consider that one for FEA for the armrest. Got it?
Yes,
You
sir.
can't tell your customer, okay, this is a armrest only for the armresting. Customer is the owner of your car, that car. Okay, he
Hello,
he
sir.
yes, Prashant.
Yes, sir. Sir, my question is how the grading process is done on parts means which process is going on the parts. So we have see a great structure of
Okay,
branch.
okay, so again, as same, I will tell you the same thing, same like the material presentation. Okay, please add one slide for the graining. Okay, please do some analysis, please do some study for the graining, which process they will use, what are the grades. Okay, type of graining, textures. Okay, Prashant,
Uh,
just spend at least one day on this presentation. Okay,
the process is going on after the production of parts or
no,
before
no, no, no,
or
no, it will be an injection.
okay, okay.
Okay.
One more
S-
question is, sir. Actually, physically, I'm not seeing a part of actual
your
welding
voice is,
parts,
Prashant, your
but
voice is breaking little.
some network issues, sir.
Yes, please repeat. Please repeat.
Actually, sir, one my question is,
Hmm.
uh, act, uh, actually, I'm not see a production of the plastic parts. So actually, I want the parameters of the test like uh, जो भी
Okay.
टेस्ट होते हैं पार्ट
Hmm.
पे सर मीन्स क्या बोलते हैं एक्चुअली आई एम
Uh,
नॉट रिमेम्बर
I'm getting your
थर्मल एक भी
points. The criteria. Yes.
This criteria means actually you know about all these things like
Hmm.
how the criteria were keep for this part
Hmm.
about for the test. So actually I want to more in details. So which parameters is acceptable? How much percentage we will keep keep or accept this part? So this kind of
Okay.
things if you describe, that is good for me.
Okay. See, it is means for a single person, it is not possible, or what we can say. As per me, it is not possible to have complete information regarding the testing, the analysis, the FEA, each and everything. Okay, we have multiple team members with multiple expertise. Okay, as even though in example I mentioned, we will have the tooling expert, we have the material expert. Okay, we have some expert for the trims, we have expert for the analysis. Okay, so as a designer, as a design engineer or the team lead, are you getting my point? मतलब
Yes, sir.
सारी इंफॉर्मेशन
Yes, sir.
रहना, जितना इंफॉर्मेशन है उतना शेयर कर सकते हैं, लेकिन एक ही बंदे को सब इंफॉर्मेशन रहना अच्छी बात है। ओके, बट I'm telling you, just go through the Google, go through the YouTube, and try to collect that information. Okay, one time, lifetime information will, that will be a one time and lifetime. Why? Because once you got the criteria, once you get the knowledge regarding that process, it will be with you lifetime. Okay, you can implement or you can explain that process to anyone. Okay,
सर ये इसके बारे में कुछ नहीं पता है।
हाँ, तो this can happen. Okay, Prashant. Okay, so Raja has already shared the screen for the feasibility study presentation for the new project. Okay, so please stop all 3D work and just work on the material presentation. The second one is which one? Uh, which slide we want to add? We have to add in presentation. We discuss.
Say
Yes.
graining structure.
Yes.
ग्रेनिंग
Graining. Yes. Graining. Yes. Just add one presentation for the graining. Okay. What will be the minimum angle requirement? How many type of textures are commonly used for the graining? Okay, how
Sir,
to
our role is the mention the graining structure.
sorry,
That's it, no?
sorry.
Sir, sir, what is our role? Just mention the graining structure,
Yes,
or we are design the graining.
yes. Just mention it in presentation. Okay, we will never design the graining in our 3D. We'll consider it in only machining. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I think we can stop. It's 10:23. If you have
Sir,
any doubts, yes, Ganesh.
in material, or what are the other important points? Properties.
Properties, strength. See, Ganesh, how we can do? Just take the front bumper. Okay.
Okay.
Ask ChatGPT, I want to design front bumper. Okay. For OEM, let's take any OEM, Audi, Mercedes, BMW, any OEM. Okay. I want to make a presentation. Okay. So what point should I mention in the presentation? What will be the material should I suggest to the OEM? Okay. Just ask
Okay.
such type of question to ChatGPT. Automatically, you will get the points. Okay. You can also ask. Okay. See, ChatGPT will provide you PP, ABS, PC plus ABS. Now you can ask the second question, which will the best one from these three? Why should we use PP? Why should we use ABS? Like this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, when I started learning, there was no Chat GPT, no YouTube material available, no study material available on YouTube. Right now you have the Chat GPT, Copilot, YouTube, Google. So it is very simple. Instead of one day, you can design. Oh, sorry, you can create a presentation within 1 hour. Okay. So please create it. Take the screenshot from the Google and just copy paste in your presentation. Okay. Clear, Jayant? Ganesh, Virudev, Raja, Sachin, Shweta, Chinmay,
Yes, sir.
Prashant, so which is Ashok.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then I think we should stop over here. It's 10:25. Okay, we'll connect tomorrow again. Please
Okay.
collect your doubts again. This type of discussions are very useful. Okay, thank you so much. Shall we stop?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much. Bye. Good night.
Good
See you in
night,
next
sir. Bye
session.
bye.
Bye. Good night.
Good night, sir.
Good night.
Good night, sir.
Good night, Ganesh.